How to post anonymously on Facebook groups. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily post and anonymously on any of the Facebook group that you are in. But before beginning, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's begin. First thing first, open up your Facebook app, and from here, you just want to head over to your menu section at the top right corner. And now here on your shortcuts, you will see groups. Just tap on it. And from here, you will get an option or list of all of the groups that you have joined. So you can search your groups if there are a lot and you cannot find them. And once you find the group, just tap on it. Now to create an anonymous post, you must have access to create a post first. So make sure that you have an access to create a post. From there, you will get this option right here at the top that says anonymous post. So what this will do is it will hide your ID, but admin moderators and Facebook system can still see your name and profile photo, but all of the other general members will not be able to see you. From here, you can just tap on your caption and write whatever you want, and then tap on post. So as you can see here, it will show you as an anonymous participant. So what this will do is it will block your name and your profile picture from the general members of the group. I hope you found this helpful. Stay tuned for more.